Hi friends, today we are talking about the definition of creep and its stages. So here you see the strain is a function of time while you keep load as well temperature constant. So definition of creep is a time dependent continuous plastic deformation at constant stress or constant load. So here you see creep stages. Vertical axis shows as strain or creep strain and horizontal axis shows time. So here this creep curve having three stages. The first stage is also known as primary stage. Second stage is also known as steady state creep because here almost creep is constant. And here tertiary stage and last one is break fracture point. Friends, in starting point creep is already having in this section and this is also known as instantaneous deformation. Here time equals to 0, then creep is having some values. Here creep having some values, residual values E naught. Here friends, in primary stage creep start rapidly but it slow down over time. Here creep start rapidly but over time it will be slowed down. In secondary stage creep is relatively uniform, hence it is also known as steady state. Now in third stage creep rate is accelerated up to the rupture point of the material. Here rupture point of the material. Quickly creep rate is increases and at last point it will be rupture. So this is a creep stages, 3 stages, and you see in steady state region creep rate is equals to slope of this will be happen here. Friends, creep is more vital role play if temperature is greater than 0.5 time of melting point. If a material having some melting point, then in this case if temperature is greater than of that particular type of material greater than 0.5 times, so it is more vital role play in this case.